What's the worst thing about the great outdoors? Bear attacks. But also, getting dirty and not being able to get clean. You need the RinseKit Cube, the most powerful, portable, efficient way to stay clean, no matter where you are or what you're doing. No assembly, no setup, no spare parts. Just add water. With RinseKit, nothing stands between you and adventure. Except maybe bears. The Cube has a consistent high-pressure spray, 5 spray settings, heating options, and its durable battery only needs to be charged every 6 months. So you can keep yourself, your site, your essentials, and your anything clean, anywhere, anytime. We've got a flood of 5-star reviews from people who've made RinseKit the only way to stay clean on the go. Click the link and pick up your RinseKit Cube today. RinseKit. Adventure, rinse, repeat.